pass to the Bulls, Grayson Saga. Oh, stolen by George. Ay, sa ato pala, alam mo. Oh, what a nice Pinoy step. Rebounded by Jason. Missed by Arthur, a rare miss. George screwing the ball. Scouting. Oh, tapped away by Arthur again. Johnny Martin. Jump ball. The intensity of the game, you're feeling it. Brandon, dribbling the ball, looking down low, pass to Luke. Luke, oh, trying to get stolen away by Rex. Arthur open for three. And then mga sinasabi ko consistent sa ato sa ating goal this season. Dati wala yan Siguro dahil nandito rin si Darlene, makakaya na ito. Yun ang palagay ko. Joy, back to Rex, pass to Jill. Now bitawan ang bola, recover, down low to Martin Pao. Stop to one, nice pass to Joy. Basket is good. A nice five by Martin. Ang ganda ni Martin Mambroso, nakita niya yun. John, may tawa ng bola. Pinasa kay Arturo, tumirin lang ang balantes. No, back to Luke. Luke dribbling, back to Arthur. Arthur, pass to John. What a nice ball. Again from the three. Wow. He's actually receiving consistent this season. One of the differentiators for the team is his three-point shot. Jell dribbling. Pass to Drex. Drex, umatake. Yung pagkana naman ba? Oh, foul. Foul number 35. Sonny. Villanes. Ay, Jaworski. Ay, Juice. Baba. Kaya sabi ko sa kamalala. Nakakalata na ako sa ito. Kapira. Bawi. There you go. Ay, rebound. Napunta kay Martin. The legendary rebounder, Johnny Boy again, pass to Luke. Warning on the committee. That's warning. Warning on the table. Oh, what a nice deal by Rex. Joy, 3-on-1. Pass to Rex. Sigurado. Brandon, scouting the field. Standing cutting. Oh, what a nice pass over there. Attacking the paint. Brandon passes the ball. Oh, he lost it. Jen, may nalang bola. Pasa kay Army. Oh, wala si Jen. Oh, si Martin naman. Pass to Jason. Dribbling, attacking, serving, shooting. Go! Personal foul, how many team fouls? First team foul. Luke. Pag-umawin na daw yung buong ejection yan, sabi nila Dimas. Arthur, dribbling the ball by himself. Umatake, inatake ang depensa, wala. Bigyan mo ba? Pasa kay Ken. Oh, ang ganda ng depensa. Ayun lang. Sani may rebound. Number 52. Too aggressive. Ito ang pinakamagandang t-shirt na nakita ko ngayon. Bagay na bagay sa amin lahat. Dati pa yan. Ang ganda na pasa kay Johnny Boy! Pasok yan! Johnny Media for two. Dalawa nilang kanaman ulit. Si Marky may kanan na bola. Captain Jason, pinitin. Let's go! Back to back. Swing of the lead here. Brandon dribbling the ball, guarded by Rex. What a nice lead by John. Pass to Sunny. Sunny, pinoprotekta ng bola. Pinapatay ng Rex. Oh, nanakaw. Wala ka. Pasa kay Johnny Boy. Pinatake ni Vincent Marky. Pabay! Wow! Napatay ni Papa John. Alright. Pinatake ni Papa John. Mahirap to. Mahirap na laman to. May gana si Papa John. Vincent, sounded by Arturo. Back to Rex. Kung hindi ka magawan. Match na match to. Parehas na bulldozer to eh. Ayan na, si Rex. Pinasa kay Jason. What a nice aggressive hustle by Sir Sunny. Brandon, dribbling the ball. Pass to Luke. Oh, counted by Jason, back to Brandon. Scouting the field, double team. Luke once again. All by himself. Oh my God, it's good. To extend the lead. 12-9. 12-9. Rex. Oh, grounded by Brandon. Behind the back. Oh, bumping. Offensive foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. John, what a nice pass to Sunny. Oh, what a block by Marky. Not in my house. I got three girls. John, oh. Back away by Marky para. Substitution, Rex pa. Easy lang daw, sabi ni Mayor. Huwag kayo magmamadali. Nandito na ako. Kaya, Mayor, i-welcome nyo. Busog na busog ka. Kaya baka makain ng burger. Tapos, back to Mayor, open for nice. Short number, good. Kaninong bola rin?
Ramen.
Greasy daw, greasy. Bounce, pounded by George. Pass to Mayor, back to Marky. Marky yung nagsabi, umikot. Oh, back. Young ball. Oh, blue ball. White ball. Wait. Oh, nice ball. Seven. Nakulitas, Manila open for three. Don't go. Rebound by Mayor. No. Back to Chris. Back to Mayor. Mayor. Pasa kay Mr. C. Almost lost it. Number 18. Kumandaki. Pinasa kay George. Back to Arthur. Back to John. Easy lang daw. Lamang tayo. Easy lang. Sabi ni John. Arthur. Oh, George for three. No good. Rebound by Cross. Gisingin natin. Atake ba? Atake ba? Oh! Kumandaki. Patay. Paso. Pinatuloy niyo pala. Sam, naghanap mo na. Bibigay daw kay binigay kay George. Ang lakas ng awit, pero hindi nawagan rin. Tinamaan si Mr. C. Sapul. Oh! Save ball. Astas, White.
Wiwi ka?
Oy, patay. George, ano naman ang bola? Mr. Sinat, pass to Carl, open for three. Oh, he missed it. Rebound by George. Nagmamadali si George, bigay niya si John and Luke. Slow down, we got company. Back to George. George, attacking. What a nice drive. Talagang ganyan sa Arturo, Monty ang ganda ng performance. Chris, attacking the basket, pass to Mayor. Mayor, may dala ng bola. Pinalik kay Mr. C. Mr. C, pass to, almost. Surveying Carl, pass to Mayor. Open pa kaya. Ilalaki ang pinigay kay Kuya niya. Wala. Lipat si Mr. C. Open for three. Back, no good. Mayor, kaya Arturo. Rebound by Sam. Oh, stolen by Carl. Open layup for Marky. Cutting the lead down to 1, 13-14. In favor of blue team, John is signaling for a play. Back to Luke. Back to John. Oh, stolen by Carl. Open for the lead. Oh, he got fouled. Two shots. Foul. Everyone. Major shot, good. Carl, number 42. Second shot. Oh, take the lead. George. Back to Arthur. Arthur. Pumatake. Oh, pinagkasi. Carlos. Open for three. Tapos. Back to Mayor. Mayor. Ay, kumamaga. Ay, foul. Second personal foul, number 24. That's good. Mayor shooting for two. Pasok. Patay ka, nalig ka lang kanalig. Makinig ka maigi. Itatranslate ko. Itatranslate ko. Ha? Stand up where you are. Second shot, it's good. To extend the lead. 17-14. John dribbling the ball back to Arthur. Arthur. Pass to George, open for three. Oh, no good. Pick up by John. Unstoppable rebounder, Sam. What a nice layup by Sam. This is the game. Bye, Fish. I love you. Sorry. Hindi ko dapat pala yun. Mayor. Ang labit ko, pinanay na rin siya. Pinasakit sa takot. Sabay tumat na. Kaya ba yan, Mayor? John. Oh, ay, nabitawan ng bola. Carl, guarded by John. Ganda ng screen ni Chris. Pass to Mr. Sinan. Back to Mayor. Mayor, back to pass. Oh, may taka ng bola. Iniikot, pinasa kaya ng Chris. Back to pass, open for three. Oh, pinalitin. 22-16. Hindi ako bias dito, ha? Hindi ako bias. Meron kapatid ko yan. Hindi ako bias, ha? Meron kapatid ko yan. Sam, tumawi, wala. Back to Carls. Carls. Atake ba? Oh, another open three. Wala. Hitting the wire. Grab 20 seconds warning for substitution, right? John, pinataka si Marky. Ang ganda na layup ni Johnny Boy. Hindi mabigyan. Okay, in 6 seconds, last position. Oh, stop. And substitution. Pass to Rex. Rex, pass to Jason. Jason over to me. Speeding. Shoot. So good. Rebound by John. Oh, ginagawa si John. Who's foul, ref? 0-0 foul. Ilan team foul lang? Jason. Paul. Jason foul. First personal foul. Ilan team foul? 4 team fouls. On White. Brandon dribbling the ball. Pass to John. Atake. Drop pass to George. Back to Luke. Luke pass to Brandon. Back to George. Relax lang daw sabi ni George. Hindi tayo nagmamadali. Apat na kalang. Open for the pass to George. Arthur, bitangan ng bola. Inaaras ni Carl. Pass to John. Atake ng defense ni Marty. Oh, Luke going for 3. Bang, bang. No good. John, this one again. Ayan na naman si John. Ayan na naman si John. 50 rebounds siya atake. Brandon, oh. Joey, back to Carl. Relax lang ba? Huwag magmadali. Joey, open in the corner. Open for 3. Joey, back. 25-18, extending the lead to 7 points. Anong gagawin ng Blue? They have to solve this puzzle. Brandon guarded by Rex, dominated by Joey. Back to John Boy. John Boy pass to Arturo for 3. Bawi, wala. Rebounded by Luke. Pass to George for 3. Pasok, wala. Ako, nawawala yung malas. Substitution, man. Pass to Carlos. Carlos pass to Jason. Oh, he extends the lead to 10 points. Brandon and Ruby, they have to solve the ground. Somebody has to step up and score. How did? Oh, well, pass overruled. Behind the back. Back to Arthur. Screen by Sunny. Attacking the basket. Arthur. Oh, sorry by Rex. Rex. Diretso. Paso. 12-point lead. Short to the white team. Pass to Arthur. Back to Luke. Luke. Dribbling. Pass to Sam. Back to Luke. 42. Foul number 42. Young person. 42. First personal foul. 5 team fouls. Violation. Taking too long. One shot, man. One shot. Pinagaya si Rydel. Joy. Oh, hindi. Binalik ka ng binasa kay Dre. Tugilan. Pinuwan mo wala. Ibang bansa. Back to Brandon. Brandon. Oy! Hounded by Joy. Oy, for 3. No good. Rebounded by Cross. Survey in the field. Easy jump. Nope, no good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Sunny. Nakuha ni Sam. Sam, nagmamadali. 2-on-1. Oy, binigay kanino. Bitalang na din ba? Back to Brandon. Pass to Sunny. Sunny open layup. It's good. Oh! Wow! Number 42. Second personal foul. 60 foul. Happy birthday, Papa Play. Huh? Blocking foul, third personal foul, 15 foul substitution. Stay here. Foul number 35. 16 fouls, 14, 16 fouls. Shooting for two threats. Basket is good. Extend the lead 31-20. Oh, hindi lang sa hapon na. Video ka, binibigil ni CC. Hindi ka naman. Second shot. Okay. Rebound by Marky. Attacking the defense. No ball. Blue ball. Brandon, back to Luke, back to Sunny. Sunny open shot, boarding is good. Sunny, ilista mo na. 31-22, 9.3. Six. Oy, attacking the defense of Luke. Back to Luke, back to Sunny. Dribbling the ball. Brandon, attacking the defense, floater, no good, rebound by Sunny. Dribbling. Skirt, ay kaya bola. Oh, ganda ng kaya. Kape, yun mga kami. Ang ganda ng way. JL, dribbling the ball. Open, momentarily. Pass to Drex, pass to Jason. Back to Drex. Matake. Floater. Oh. Pinalik, pinilo. Matake. Back to Drex. Back to Sunny. Sunny. Oh, foul by Roy. Two shots. Passing off there. At 7:30, 75. Next round penalty. 7. Sunny down in front of the hook. Floater by George Wall. Nag-iilip na. 11-point lead enjoyed by the white team. Pusin daw ang oras sa ating Martin. Kuling yan. Kuling. Oh, pass to open, George. Open for the back line. Counting the lead to a single digit. Siyang nakakala mo naman. Jason back to Gerald. Gerald, easy na down. Back to Jason. Jason, open your wing. Back to Gerald. Matane. Back to Chris. Ang ganda. Basket goal, number 44. Second personal foul, 17 fouls. Red flags foul, both of them will be on penalty, okay? Bonus shot. Bonus is no good. John, you got it. Easy lang maintain the rebound. Oh, ganda. Natake niya dyan ang depensa. Sablay lang. May tama ng bola. Nag-iing tayo. Easy lang daw. Jason. Oh, what a nice open shot. No good. Oh, tapay tayo, Marky. Marky. Oh, we got the first down. Try to hurry. Attacking the defense. Oh, ganda.
Ay!
That is a beautiful layup. Greg. Pass to Marky. Pass to Jerry. Over for three. Last shot down. 20 seconds. Alright, friend. Not that much. I'm happy. Sonny. Wala yun. Sally, last shot for three. No good.